Hey guys, Leah here from Unbox. Let's talk about a very exciting topic, mobile gaming. I know sikat to ngayon and a lot of you guys are really into it. But let's face it, you can be the best gamer, but if your device can't handle it, if it doesn't have enough power, or if mabilis siya uminit, wala din. That's why I'm very happy to tell you that the Asus ROG Phone is now available for pre-order and it is built for gaming. Just look at it. Sa tingin pa lang, you already know that this phone is badass. I mean, 2018 is the year of glass back phones, but this one is made out of metal. And I must say, it makes it look really powerful. The RGB lighting, of course, is a dead giveaway that it's for gaming, and those aggressive lines immediately tell you that this is ROG. The phone has a 6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It has a refresh rate of 90 Hz with a 1 ms response time. Para mas enjoy while playing, it has dual front speakers and enhanced haptics for a more sensory gaming experience. While it's mainly a gaming device, we want our phones to be able to take photos too, right? The ROG Phone has a dual rear camera setup with a 12-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel wide-angle shooter. The front camera for selfies is at 8 megapixels. When it comes to power, there's no doubt that the Asus ROG Phone can handle your favorite games. But can it keep the temperatures down even after hours of playing? The ROG Phone comes with the Aeroactive cooler that you can hook up at the proprietary port to help keep the temperature down. The great thing about this attachment is that it allows you to charge your phone while playing without the cable getting in the way of your grip. It has a 4,000 mAh battery that lasts longer than most high-performance phones. Now, if you're really hardcore, there are accessories that you can buy separately to help you game better. There's the twin view dock that gives you another screen that's great for multitasking. Second is a mobile desktop dock that allows you to use the ROG Phone with a monitor and PC peripherals. There's also the Wigig dock. Think Nintendo Switch when it comes to controls, and you can cast it to your TV. So yes, the Asus ROG Phone has the power to play all of your favorite games. It can stay cool for a long period of time, so you can play for longer. It looks really badass, and it has accessories for better gaming. I know it is not cheap, but if you guys are serious about mobile gaming, then you may want to consider this device. And that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell. For the latest tech news and gadget reviews from the Philippines, head to unbox.ph and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. This is Leah. Bye!